Hi everybody, welcome to Module 2. We have some exciting stuff planned for this module, so I hope you are ready. So let's dive in. So first you want to go over and click on Modules. I'm already in Modules, so I'm going to scroll down, scroll past Module 1 because we're in 2. So let's click on Module 2. A couple things I just want to point out to you. Make sure you're reading the overview. This week you have a treasure hunt, you have a yellow dig assignment, and you have an impact time card. So you also hear your readings, so take some time to go through the readings. They're very important. Here also is a presentation, little blurb from me, as well as it gives you kind of the information that you need for this module. So let's jump in, back over to readings, there we go. So as you're looking at this, one of your assignments this week is the treasure hunt. So for your treasure hunt, there is a template right here that you can utilize. This gives you a good overview of what you need to do and how to submit this. Again, this is going to go into your portfolio, so you'll upload it there and then you'll submit the link. So you're answering these questions. Make sure you spend some time at your internship really walking through and learning about the organization. For this one, you're going to use the template. So when you click on the template, it should open. Click on use template so that way you can use the template, and you don't have to change it to APA format. Once it goes in, you can type directly into these areas and start working with it. So you are going to be looking at, who is your organization, research, describe and explain your organization, list their mission, their purpose, their goals. You're also going to take some time to talk about what they do, why they do it, and where, when, how, why, and then other information that comes up. So take some time and walk through this. The more information you add, the better. So that's your organizational treasure hunt, really kind of a deep dive into your organization and what's happening within your organization. This week, you're also going to focus on Yellow Dig and what's happening in Yellow Dig. So let's go into that one and talk about that one. So for Yellow Dig, your prompt for this week is your organization. Who are you going to be working with? Again, no mic drops. Spend some time really thinking about the questions and adding in videos and other important information. So again, for this week, you are talking about the organization itself and why is your organization different. So add in some other pieces, make it kind of fun. Really kind of an easy, fun way to earn some points. So make sure you spend some time on that and you're going through it. The last thing for this week is your time card. So make sure you submit your time card as well. I am going to do a video that kind of walks you through your portfolio. So if you want to dig into that one, I'll post that one in a few minutes. So any questions, let me know. I look forward to working with you. At this point, you should have your internship. You should be ready to rock and roll, or you're talking with me and Caitlin about that. All right, have a great day.